Si Lord daw, seloso? We, ano bang ibig sabihin nito? At ano ang matututunan natin dito? God in the Old Testament was presented to us as a jealous God o seloso. Dahil dito, marami tuloy ang na-turn off kay Lord. But before we go further, ano nga ba ang jealousy? Jealousy can be a bad thing or a good thing. Well, it is bad kung ito ay makasarili. And it is good kung ito ay para protektahan naman ang iba. Ngayon, if jealousy is rooted in self-centeredness, it is the wrong and harmful kind of jealousy. Sa kabilang banda, jealousy that springs from concern for others' well-being is appropriate. Ngayon na alam na natin kung ano ang jealousy, saan nga ba to madalas ina-apply? This term is almost always used in the context of relationship o sa magjowa, most especially in marriage analogy. Isipin mo a marriage without the potential of jealousy when an intruder threatens isn't much of a marriage. And sa Bible, God was pictured to us as an engaging, relational God who attaches Himself to us. At dahil dyan, alam nyo, dapat tayong mamangha na ang lumikha sa atin ay napakalalim na inuugnay ang kanyang sarili sa atin at binubuksan niya ang kanyang sarili sa kalungkutan at dalamhati sa harap ng betrayal at rejection ng tao. Now, the reason God is jealous is because He binds Himself to His people in a kind of spousal intimacy. So ngayon, worshiping idols and other gods is a rejection of who He is. Parang adultery na rejection of one spouse in marriage. At alam ng Diyos that when we choose idolatry o adultery, tayo rin ang mapapahamak sa huli. Ibig sabihin, si God ay nagsiselos dahil ayaw niya tayong mapalayo sa Kanya o mapahamak tayo. His jealousy is rooted in love and other-centeredness. Like and share this video for more biblical truths online.